Hi fellas, how are you today? Are you okay? I really hope so. Today we are going to create something a little different. We are going to create an exploit, but we gonna code with the C++. We are using the Wingo, and that means the minimalist GNU for Windows, okay? And I have this version. Okay, you need have it installed on your Windows, and if you have some difficulty on this video, so let me know. Perhaps I can make a video getting in details for you. Okay, there's no problem. That's why I'm here to talk about the English, to make code and have fun. Let's create the file, the main.cpp. Okay, I'm gonna code, and after I'm done with the code, I tell you guys what the code means. I'm gonna explain some lines. Okay, if I talk with you line by line, this video will take such as 1 hour, and I don't want something very large. So if everything is okay, it's gonna run. Now we are using the code shared main DLL. We are creating our DLL main from the cpp lws2 underscore 32, and there is a bunch of error. The new, let's take a look in the code. Here it's one. Here let's try again. And we have done. DLL. No error. Probably the code is running properly. And I think it's okay. So what is this code? Let's talk about it. First here I'm calling the API function and calling the functions for the networking and the additional TCP/IP helpers. Okay, and here I'm calling the library the WinSock. Here, these functions here, it's to run the thread in the handle reverse shell. Here it's the structure, the sockets, okay, and here in this line I'm initialize the the WinSock library, okay, in the version 2.2. And here it's something very useful. Create a loop to reconnect if you lost the connection, and the reconnect will try each 5 seconds, and if everything is okay, it's continue. What it means, it comes to another code over here. Here I'm calling the localhost. In this case, it's my localhost on my VirtualBox, the Kali Linux. I'm opening the port 4444. Here, we are connecting to the attacker machine, connecting the Kali Linux in that case. Okay, if the sockets fail, we are waiting each 5 minutes before retrying, and if everything okay, it's continue. Here we are cleaning the startup info structure. We are setting the structure size. Here we use the custom IO to handless, and here we are redirecting the IO to the socket. Here we are starting the process, the cmd.exe process. Okay, it's the command to run, it's the default security, the handles, and to run without the windows, default environment, and the process startup, and the information structures. Here I'm saying to wait till the cmd.exe ends, and we are clean up the handles. We close the cmd if it does exist. And here we wait again 5 minutes to reconnect. We clean up this WinSocks here, and here it's the entry points for the DLL, and here we create the DLL into the process, starting the reverse shell, and here the DLL it's loaded successfully. Okay, there is it. The Windows, it have a program which we can execute the DLL we have made already, so we can try it. Opening the CMD in this folder, then we need to hear the port we have fixed on the program, the 4444. Now it's listening, and here we use the hag svr32.exe, and we call the program. That will jump an error on the box saying the DLL register server was not found, but it doesn't matter because we have the shell already. There is it. We can test to create something inside the file like we just did here, and I have the carpet sky, and it didn't say nothing about the reverse shell, neither the firewall. So if I close the connection and try again, it won't access because the DLL has been stopped. Now we need to create an executable program to keep working the DLL file we have created. Let's create the loader. It's gonna be the .exe. Okay, it's very simple. This program will just call the main.dll. hmodule dll load library a. Now we call the main.dll here. Let's make a loop if hdll it's equal null, and return 1. It's the error if it's not comes correctly, and while it true, we make a sleep for 1 second. Okay, if the program it's running alright, that's no problem. If we close it, the reverse shell, in each 1 second it will run again, so we won't lose the shell until the loader exe is running. Return 0. There's it. There's nothing much. We're going to create the .exe with an edge icon. Okay, it's to run with the edge. It will be more easy to keep it running and don't get caught. The file name is edge.icon. Then first of all we need to create the loader.rc id icon1 icon and call the name edge.icon. There's it. We can close that. The main header. Now with the WinDress, we create the loader.rc to loader.res. Okay, we need the extension res to add the icon to the exe. So WinDress loader loader.rc all cough o loader res. There's it. Our file has been created correctly, and now we create our exe with the g++ loader.cpp loader.res. I'm calling this program and the icon -o, and we are creating the loader.exe minus m windows. M windows, it's to don't show the window, okay? We are running without the window, the SMD window. And there is it. There is our exe file over here with the icon, okay? I'm gonna create another folder with the code program. We need just the DLL and the exe. So that is how big is our reverse shell. 138 kilobytes. It's very little, very little. And the antivirus and the firewall, it don't say shit about it. Now let's run the program. Let's open, let's keep listening, and we run. Apparently not happening, but here we have the shell, and we can run between the folders and so on. What if we exit now and listen again? We won't lose the access, it will return, because when we exit it, and the exe will call the DLL file for each 1 second, then we don't lose the shell anymore, and we can take a look to the program. It's running over here. There is it, the loader running. If I stop it, we lost the shell. Just if we take it off. Otherwise the DLL it's running yet. But if I exit and try again, we lost it because the DLL will stop either. So there is it. You can save the loader exe on the startup or on the scheduler and so on. That's many ways to start the exe with the Windows, okay? There is up to you, and if you want I create something different or show you guys that those paths, that won't be problem, just let me know and let's catch up, okay? There is it, man. This is awesome. The program created with the C++. Very little program with 138 kilobytes, okay?
So there's it. I hope you have enjoyed it. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. That's all for now.